Welcome to This Mom Chef. Subscribe for easy to make and yummiest recipes. Also like our Facebook page and follow us on Instagram for latest updates. Hello and Assalamu alaikum. Today's recipe is mayo chicken drumsticks. For marination we need chicken drumsticks with skin 500 grams, garlic 3 cloves grated or chopped, lemon juice 2 tablespoons, salt according to your taste, red chilli powder half teaspoon, paprika powder half teaspoon, mayonnaise 2 tablespoons heaped. Add salt, paprika powder, red chilli powder, garlic and lemon juice in the mayonnaise and mix. Leave for 5 minutes so that all the ingredients set in. Now marinate drumsticks with this mayo mix. Now for coating we will need 2 cups of all-purpose flour or maida, 2 whole eggs, a pinch of salt, half teaspoon of mixed vegetable powder or only garlic powder, either way it will give very good flavor. Now mix salt and mixed vegetable powder into flour and mix. Whisk the eggs. Now coat all the drumsticks with flour, then eggs, and then again with the flour. Heat oil in a round pan or kadahi. We will deep fry all the pieces. Put all the pieces carefully when it becomes hot enough. After 7 to 8 minutes, change the sides. When coating becomes darker, take out all the pieces and serve with ketchup. Enjoy as a snack on a lazy evening or grab it in a hurry when you're getting late for your meetings. It will perfectly fill your tummy in any situation. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, comment and share. Goodbye and Allah Hafiz.